Hello everyone, today we are unboxing Model 14 proportion metal hydraulic articulated dump truck. Next, we open the box. Dump truck vehicle weight about 12 kg. Equipped with a Flisky FSI-6S remote control. You need to order 5 batteries for the remote control by yourself. And some accessories that need to be installed on the dump truck by yourself. To take it out from the packaging box, you need to use your hands to take it out steadily and parallelly to prevent the front compartment from rotating and damaging the entire vehicle. Overall dump truck detail display. Length 818, width 243, height 278. Open the hood and we can see the details inside. Use a free SXD60 lithium battery, which needs to be purchased separately. When starting the machine, first turn on the remote control, and then connect the model's main power source. Wait for 5 seconds until you hear the ESC confirmation sound before operating. Pushing the left joystick of the remote control up moves the model forward, and pushing it down moves the model backward. The upper left corner of the remote control is to turn on the hydraulic pressure. The joystick on the right side of the remote control moves left and right for hydraulic steering. We can clearly see the working of the hydraulic steering. When the hydraulics are turned off, left and right steering will not work. The second lever on the top left corner of the remote control is used to control the model's sound system. Equipped with a sound system to give you a listening experience, make operations more realistic. Hydraulic action is delicate and linear. Move the joystick on the right side of the remote control up and down. It is to control the lifting and lowering of the cargo bucket. The lifting force of the carriage can reach about 20 kg. The carriage and front can rotate 360 degrees. Provide efficient transportation capabilities for complex road conditions. The second lever in the upper right corner of the remote control the warning light. Multiple switching modes. The lever in the upper right corner of the remote control the lighting system. Reversing lights automatically turn on when reversing. The rear view mirrors on both sides can be adjusted to different viewing angles. Open the cockpit door manually. That is it for today's unboxing video. See you next time.